Hello, I'm Shikha Agarwal. My subject is English and my topic is present tense and its types. And first point is general objective. General objective में to provide the knowledge and understanding of facts, concept and definition related with English. And next is to enable the student to apply this knowledge and understanding to English in their day-to-day life. Second objective है specific में first point है knowledge objective. The student will be able to recall the present tense, and second is understanding objective. The student will be able to classify the present tense and the student will be able to explain the present tense. And next objective is application. Under the application, first point is the student will be able to make sentences in present tense, and second is the student will be able to use present tense. And next objective is skill objective. Under the skill objective, the student develop their reading and writing and listening and learning skills. Next topic is teaching aids. Teaching, under the teaching aids including 2 points. First is general and second is specific. General teaching aids. Under the general teaching aids including chalk, duster and board. Second is specific teaching aid. Under the specific teaching aid we can include flashcard and chart, etc. And then is previous knowledge testing, PTS activities and pupil activity. First point is what do you mean by tense? Tense is a form of verb that shows action of an event. Second point is do you know how many types of tense are there? There are 3 types of tenses: name, present tense, past tense and future tense. Then announcement of this topic. First is present tense. Present tense क्या होता है? It show the action in which event take place in present time. These are 4 type of present tense. First is present indefinite tense. Second is present continuous tense. Third is present perfect tense, and last is present perfect continuous tense. First is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense क्या होता है? Under this tense we can use subject plus first form. Example, I read a book. Negative sentence बन सकता है do not plus first form of verb. For example, the boy do not sing a song. Second is present continuous tense. In this tense we use subject plus is, am, are plus verb की first form plus ing. Example, positive में I am reading a book. Negative, I am not reading a book. Present perfect tense. In this tense we use subject plus has, have plus past participle. Example, I have lost my pen. Negative, I have not a 2 pens. Past perfect continuous tense. In this tense we use subject plus has, have plus been plus verb की first form plus ing plus time period. For example, he has been waiting for you for an hour. Negative, not is placed after have, after has or love. Closing statement. So student, today we have learned about present tense and its types. धन्यवाद.